With CZ due to be released from prison in the next couple of weeks, BNB could be one of the most obvious trades to take for the sort of next couple of month period. I'm going to show you in this video a potential swing trade setup that I'm looking at, which could perform really well heading into Q4 2024. Before I begin this video, I'd really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will pin in the comment section below two links, one to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us. So the last time we looked at this coin, BNB, on a video was a couple of months ago, and I'm looking here at the weekly chart, and what we was watching previously was a break of this weekly resistance. It was actually the week that we broke it that we did the video. And I mentioned about how if this closes above, you could potentially look to take an entry on the retest to confirm as support. We can see that the following week it did hold as support by the weekly close. However, this then did break below. So that sort of confirms that this was just deviation above. And we can see that since this has still been a really key weekly level. So this is just above sort of around $605, is really strong weekly resistance. Now, going over also as we pull back, we can see that the reaction came right from this wick, exactly wick to wick. So this liquidity here gave the bounce. This was when we saw the really strong sell-off when Bitcoin went below 50,000. So that was on the 5th of August. But yet really strong recovery, and over the last few days has been one of the stronger coins in the market, already 45% up from those lows. But what I'm looking at in terms of a swing trade setup, I will go over here to the daily chart, and we can see that recently we broke out of this daily downtrend that had been running since the early part of June. And in doing so, we can see, it rejected a number of times from this before breaking above, and in doing so has created this daily demand here, which has not really fully been retested. Now, my entry for a swing position on this is going to be the lower part of this demand zone. I think that would line up potentially over the next few days with a retest of the daily trendline breakout, which hasn't been tested so far. But also, if I draw a level through here, we can see how throughout 2024 this has been a pretty significant level. So at the mid part of March or early March we broke above, and this was then held as daily support. Okay, we got deviation below here, but this was reclaimed within one day and a number of times held as support before breaking below again recently. So this should line up for me well with a retest of this trend line, daily demand. It's almost a flat bottom daily candle there as well, and of course a significant level historically throughout this year. That level is around $530. So for me, any move into $530 over the coming week or so is a really good place to try a swing position. We got quite easy invalidation on this because any close below this trend line on the daily chart or back below this horizontal level, and you could just look to exit the position. But all the time this is holding, we could be looking to put in a higher low here before continuation towards the upside. BNB, I do expect this year to make a new high, particularly over sort of the next 3 to 6 months. I'm really bullish on this coin. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and as I said, just make an alert for now, $530 as a potential entry. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on BNB. Are you holding this, and what your long-term targets are? And I will see you on the next video.